All right, come, let's start. We are doing this revision again. All right, more to go. Let me share file with you for this. Yeah, my PowerPoint will be this. Okay, it's a good day. So let's start. Before that, for the new students, for the sake of you, all right, please, I need to tell you that you need to turn on your audio, this camera video throughout the lesson. Use chat function, all right. Don't suddenly off the blue, then after that, you say something out. Okay. Share your feedback through the chat function also. Okay, everything is chat function, chat function. Share your feedback. Okay, anything urgent, you just need your raise your hand, wait for me. Or if it's still urgent, then you unmute yourself, then just speak. Need to go toilet break, just go, don't need to ask. Just go quickly, come back. But the last thing is more important is that do not scribble anything on the screen, all right? Because the rest of the students are also watching. So yeah, we want to make a conducive environment for everybody. Come, let's start. Okay, question number 1. Now, usually what I do is I want, make sure you have your writing materials with you. If not, how to write, number 1. Do you have your printout? Do you have your answers? Calculators, worksheet? You need to do your corrections. Okay, not all of them did the correct. I did this, but okay, never mind. 佳琪, ayo. They are coming in later. So sorry. Okay. All right. Welcome for new students. We are now at question 1 already. So let's start. Okay. What is the value of the digit 8 in this? He wanted a digit 8. So let's check. Digit 8 is at hundreds place, right? Because got 2 0. So it's hundreds place for B. Okay. Next question. Hundreds. Value, sorry. They wanted value. Okay. So it's value. Cannot spell. They didn't ask for place value. They didn't ask for place. Okay. So this one is question number D. Okay. Next question. Jenny saved a certain amount of money every day. From Monday to Friday, $1 each day. Saturday to Sunday will be a different amount, $3 each day. So this one will be more. What is the least number of days that Jenny will need to take if she wants to save up the $72? Okay, let's take a look. How shall we do this? Now, for a Monday to Friday, each one is $1 times 5, because there are 5 days. Am I right? And then let's take a look at this date. They have $72. So I will need to use my $72 to divide. Okay. So $72 to divide by 5. You will have how many weeks? 6, right? 72. Sorry, divide by. Wait. I still have something to write. This is every day, Monday to Friday is only $1. So you need to have a Saturday and Sunday, which is $3. Okay. And then this one will be $6. Okay. So you have a $5, you have a $6. So meaning to say the week itself is already $11. Right now. So for this $11 is meant for Monday to Sunday, 7 days. Technically, it's 1 week. So he's going to save for $72, and each week is $11. So we are going to find the weeks here. All right, 72 divided by 11, and that will get down to 6. Remainder 66 and remainder 72 and remainder 6. Remainder $6. Okay. So now the thing is, if you have the 6 weeks, you will have 6 times 7, which is $42. Okay. 42, 6 times 7 is 42 days. All right. Now, do you realize that for the $6, because the question wanted to have the least number, let me highlight this. Okay, for highlight, he wanted the least number. So you have only 42 days, and what happened here is you have a $6 left, right? Remainder. Take note of this. Remainder, what will you do if you have the $6? How to find the number of days? What must you divide to get the number of days? And this is the smallest possible. Okay, I repeat. This is the smallest possible day that you need. All right. So meaning to say, what I can do is, if you use 6 to divide by $3, which is 2 days. If you use 6 to divide by $2, then it will take 3 days. Of course, the smallest possible will be if you divide this by $3. Then you get 2 days. Right? Okay. So all in all, you will need only 44 days because you have 42 days plus the 2 days where you save the $6. So total 44. Okay. Then you get down to B. So far, okay, can understand what I'm doing? The difficult part is not the process. The difficult part is how to make it the least number. Okay, so the least number here, $6 must divide by 3. That will get down to 2. Okay. So for this is B.
I'm confused at the part where you got the part where you got $72 divided by 11.
Why? Oh, you don't understand why 11? Because in 1 week, he saved 7 days. 5 days, it will be each day $1, and 5 days will save up $5. For Saturday and Sunday, he will save a $6. So technically, in the whole entire week for the 7 day, Monday to a Sunday, then you would have saved $11 for the particular week.
And how about the 6 times 7 and the $6?
Sorry again?
I'm confused at the 6 times 7 and $6 divided by 2.
6 times 7 is because you have 6 weeks here, right? Okay, I write this, I note this in black pen. Yeah, that's a good question. Thank you for asking. You are asking why I times 6, I times 7, because this is actually 6 weeks and 6 days. And 1 week is, they have 7 days. So 6 weeks, you will have 42 days. Am I right? So that's where I get my 42 days, and I plus my 2 days, I get 44 days. All right, can I move on? Okay, next question. Find the product of all the factors. So you need to have the factors of 15, right? So technically 15 is 1 times 15, 3 times 5. So the factors are 1, 3, 5, and 15. So he said they wanted the product, means you have to use 1 times 3 times 5 times 15. 1 times 3, 3, 3 times 5, 15. 15 times 15 will be 225. Okay. Question 4. Question 4 says there are 5 digits here. He wants you to form. The condition is it must be the smallest. You must use 5 digits. It must be an odd number using all up. So if you were to rearrange, the first thing you can say is a 0,000. Can I say it's a, sorry, 0, 10,000, 1,000, 200, and then can I say this is 58? Is it acceptable? No. Why? Because there's no number that can start from 0. So now you have to swap their position for 1 and 0, so that become the least number become 10,258. Now, you see, you have 5 digits. Very good. But is this still acceptable? No, you don't. Why is it so? Because the question wanted a odd number. So which one is the odd number here? The odd number is 5. So what you need to do is to swap their position. 1, 0, 2, swap so that the 5 can go behind. So that's where you can have your answer as 1, 0, 2, 8, 5. Okay? Next question. Rounding off to the nearest 1,000, find the difference by first doing that. Okay, so first thing first, they ask you for the difference. Which are the two numbers here? First, you must round off their numbers to the nearest 100. So there are two numbers that you need to work on. 654, 876. You change it to the nearest 100. So 100 will be here. Now, if you look at 100, there is a 7 here, so you need to round it to 9. Okay, so 654 900. That's for the first number. For the second number, it will be 279 745. Change it to the 2. Round off to the nearest 100 also. So this one is a 4 tenths, which is not needed to change the hundreds place. So you get 279,700. Okay, then now you can find their difference. Okay, I'm a bit lazy. I just minus from here. Okay, 0, 0, 2. Okay, so I have 200. Then I have 654 minus 279. I should get 375, 200. Okay,